Okay, welcome students for this foundation class. Foundation class is meant for brushing up our concepts in the ninth and 10th standard subjects, so that when you go for some exams in 11th and 12th, particularly that entrance exams like NEET, JEE or CUET, then you will become very thorough. Even though CUET, NEET and JEE, you get questions from 11th and 12th syllabus, but still that your confidence on the 10th subject, clarity on the 10th subject, ninth subject will help you. So that is the whole idea, because we have seen through over the years, just reading 11th and 12th, studying 11th and 12th thoroughly, but you are not thorough with ninth and 10th, then you are finding it little difficult in the exams. So I don't want that to happen for you. That is why we are not in a hurry to, we are not rushing in this foundation class. We are going slow, and we will try to figure out and understand some of the concepts. And I am very happy to tell you that there was an exam called Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's Talent Test. It was conducted some time back. The results had come yesterday. One of our student has got selected in that this one, and he will be getting 10,000 per year for 5 years. That is 11th and 12th, and graduation 3 or 4 years. You will get totally 5 or 6 years. You will get 10,000. So one Chendamil Selvan from Chengalpattu, he is the person. So it's a happy news which came in the morning. So I'm just sharing that with you. Okay, we'll go to the class. So this is mathematics. We'll see. These are all very simple problem. So now the value of 1 by 8. Are you able to see the screen? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Value of 1 by 8 minus bracket 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4 is. Here in this case, you have to simplify the inside the bracket, you have to simplify, and then so you have to do 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. So how much you are getting? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4.
Negative 1 by 12.
Huh? Yeah. So how much you are getting? Somebody said negative 1 by 12. Are you getting minus 1 by 12? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. How do you do it? You take an LCM. 6 and 4 LCM is 12. So that is denominator is 12, and numerator you will be writing there as 4 minus 6. So minus 12 minus 2 by, sorry, minus 1 by 12. So inside the bracket is minus 1 by 12, and outside you have got 1 minus. So what will happen? So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. So how much you are getting?
Yes,
What?
sir.
1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. How much you are getting? What is the answer you are getting? So what is the final answer? Kavinaya must have got it correct. Kavinaya, what is the final answer?
5 by 24, sir.
5 by 24. Are you getting some other students? I am taking one calculation, this one. I'll try to do some calculation there so that you will understand it. Yes. Are you able to see the calculation one screen, one slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think somebody else is. Yeah. Yeah. See, the question is 1 by 8 minus of 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. This is the question given. You have to simplify. Now we will try to simplify the one which is inside the bracket. Inside the bracket we have 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. So that will be equal to 1 by 12. LCM is 12 and you are doing, yes. Is it correct? No, 2 by, is it 1 by 12?
Negative 1 by 12, sir.
Negative 1 by 12.
Negative
Sorry,
1 by
negative
12.
1 by 12. Sorry, 1 by 12. So then, so 1 by 8, negative of negative 1 by 12 will be plus 1 by 12. So 1 by
Plus 1 by 12.
1 by 12. Here, the LCM is 24 and 24 means here it is 3 plus 2 on the numerator and denominator is 24. 24. So 5 by 24 is the answer. So let's see whether the answer is there. I mean, that is there. 5 by 24 is there. So that is the answer. Okay, go to question number 2. The perfect number is. What is the definition of perfect number? When do we say a number is a perfect number? First you have to factorize the number. Suppose you factorize 26. What are the factors of 26? 1, 2,
1, 2,
1, 2, 13. 1, 2, 13. Is there any other factor? 1, 2, 13. So if you add 1 plus 2 plus 13, how much you are getting? 1 plus 2 plus 13. All the
16,
factors.
sir.
Huh?
16, sir.
16. So this is not equal to 26. So that is not a perfect number. Go to 27. What are the factors of 27? 1, 3,
9, 3, 9.
9. Here again, if you add all these things, you are not getting 27. Let us take 28. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. You add all these numbers, how much you are getting?
28.
28. So if you add all the factors, you should get that number. Those numbers are called perfect number. Have you understood, children?
Yes, sir.
It is very important. No, you should. No, somebody is coming. I think. No, somebody is not coming. Okay. Okay. Next question. If the radius of circle is doubled, then the area of the new circle E will be. If the radius is doubled, then the area will be. See, such cases you can do like this. So suppose you keep the radius as 2. First one circle, the radius is 2. So what is the area? Radius is 2, let us say. What is the area? Formula? Pi r square,
22
no?
by 7.
R square, that is 2 into 2. Am I correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So if the radius becomes 4, twice, radius becomes 4, then area will become 22 by 7 into 4 into 4 into 4. So this is what? This is 4 times 22 by 7. This is how much? 16 times 22 by 7. Am I correct? 16 times pi. 4 pi
Yes,
and
sir.
16 pi. So how many times it has increased? Area is increased by how many times? 4 pi to 16 pi. 4 times. It has increased 4 times. So when the radius increased by doubled, that is increased by 2 times, the area increases by 4 times. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us say sphere. Let us take sphere. Sphere, you know? What is the
Yes,
volume of sphere? Formula? 4 by 3 pi, instead of pi I am writing 22 pi r what? R cube.
Cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula for volume of sphere. This is volume, sorry. Volume of sphere is equal to, now the if suppose if the radius is doubled, then the volume will be what? Will increase by, instead of r you are putting 2r. 2r whole cube is how much? 8r cube. 2r whole cube is what? 8r cube. Am I correct? I think you are not following, no?
Yes.
See, when the radius is doubled means r becomes 2r. 2r. So in a volume, r cube will become 8r cube. Volume will increase by 8r cube. So 8 times it will increase volume. Understood? Why it is 8 times? Others? Hello, are you able to understand?
So,
Yeah, if you please switch on mic and talk. That's very important. Okay, next, the number of terms in the expression m square n square c is
1, sir.
1. Only one term is there. If it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, if the expression is a square plus b square plus 2ab, then how many number of terms are there? If the expression is a square plus b square plus 2ab, what is the number of terms?
1, sir.
A square
One, sir.
a square plus b square plus 2ab, I am talking.
3.
3. Isn't it? See, here a square plus b square plus 2ab. So there are 3 terms are there. So what are they asking? They are just asking how many terms are there. So like that they are asking. Okay, a plus b whole cube. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? What is the expansion? Can you tell me? Anybody? A plus b whole cube? A plus. Have you studied these things? Hello? Have you studied? Huh?
Sir, is it a cube or square?
Cube. Have you studied cube?
Yes, sir.
So what is
Yes,
that?
sir.
So a cube
A cube plus y cube plus 3ab plus a plus b, sir.
So 3ab plus a plus b. Am I correct? So that is a
Yes,
cube
sir.
plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if somebody asks a plus b whole cube, how many terms are there? So you can say the expansion of a plus b whole cube, it has got 4 terms. That is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so 4 terms are there. Just to tell you, show you how many terms I have just done it. Okay, question 5. Can you read, Kavinaya, question 5? Kavinaya, can you read question 5?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
The length of a log is 3a plus 4b minus 2, and a piece of 2a minus b is removed from it. The length of the remaining log is.
So log means what? Here, in this problem, what do they mean by log? It's a wood piece, wood. It is a tree or a wood. That's called log. Not mathematics logarithm. Not that. Here they are talking about the meaning of log here is See, wood or piece of wood. So the length of the piece of wood is 3a plus 4b minus 2. If from that they are removing 2a minus b, then what is the remaining length? So
A plus 3B minus
Sir,
2, sir.
option 2.
Option 3,
a,
sir.
no, you tell me tell me Kavinaya once
Plus
again.
5b minus 2.
A
Option
plus
3, sir. A
5b
plus
minus 2.
3B minus 2.
Is it 3b or 5b?
5b.
So the person who said 3b is keeping quiet. Is it 3b or 5b?
3B, sir. 3B, sir.
Oh. How did you get 3b, madam? You tell me. See, 3a minus
Sir,
2
4B minus B. 4B minus B, no, sir.
minus of minus b. 4b
Sir,
minus of.
4B minus B, sir. Plus to B only to state, sir.
No, my 2a minus b is there, no? Oh, you.
Yes, sir.
Then that becomes plus, so it will come 5b, no?
Sir, plus and minus becomes minus only, no, sir.
I don't get you. What is it? No, I think, I don't know why. So these are fundamentals we have to tell me the problem. 1 minute. What is the problem?
3A plus 4B minus 2, sir.
3a plus 4. 3a plus 4b minus 2. From this, you have to minus. You have to minus
2A minus B, sir.
2a minus b, no?
Yes,
2a
sir.
minus b. So what will you get? So that 3a will be there, same, plus 4b, we will write, minus 2, we will write, minus, so that will minus 2a plus b, isn't it? Hello? So that will be equal to a plus 5b minus 2. Hello, children? Are you able to understand? Still confusion?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, you go and do it once again at home. See, when you apply minus, for the whole bracket you have to apply minus. Minus of 2a minus b, that equal to minus 2a plus b. Okay? Vinaya, convinced? Not convinced?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And this minus 2 also should come because that's important. So like this only some small mistakes we make. That is why this class. Which of the statement is wrong? Which of the statement is wrong? M square minus n square plus 3 is trinomial. A square b square plus 2b is a binomial. 3x square y is a mononomial. You know what is this? I don't know. What is nomial? 4x square polynomial. I think I don't want to give you some wrong answers. Okay, go to question number 7. Can anybody read? Palak, can you read?
Yes, sir. The sum of two numbers is 36 and one number exceeds another by 8. The number are.
So from the answer you can go. Such questions from the answer you can go. So sum of the number has to be 36. All the four options if you add it becomes 36. Okay. The one number exceeds another by 8. The difference would be 8. In option 1, what is the difference? 13 and 23, what is the difference?
Sir, 10.
10. So that is
10,
wrong.
sir.
That is not the right answer. 14 and 22, what is the difference?
Sir, 8.
8. That is the right answer. That's all. The third option is 15 and 21. The difference is 6. 12 and 24, the difference is 12. So second option is the answer. From the answer you can go. Okay. Next question. Can anybody read? 8th question.
The percentage of 6 hours in a day is.
The percentage of 6 hours in a day is. How will you do it? See, what is the total number of hours in a day?
24, sir.
24. So percentage 6 hours in 24 hours. It means 6 by 24 into 100.
6 by 24 into 100, sir.
कितना आता है? कितना? How much is coming?
Sir, 25, sir.
25%. Yes.
So option number 2.
2. Yes. See, because the percentage is given in the question, in the answer they did not give percentage. Okay? It's 25%. Okay. 9. So, Palak, can you read?
Yes, sir. If 35 women can do a piece of work in 16 days, in how many days will 28 women do the same work?
Okay. If 35 women can do a piece of work in 16 days, in how many days will 28 women do the same work? So, I'm asking you some simple questions. Will it be more than 16 or less than 16?
Sir, more than 16.
So all the answers are more than 16, no problem. Okay, now you have to find out. How do you find out? I'm going to give you a trick. If 35 women can do a piece of work in 16 days, one woman will take how many days to complete the work? 35 women has to work for 16 days, then they will complete the work. If only one woman is there, how many days they will take? They will take, one woman will take 35 into 16. That much days they will take. Okay? One woman will take 35 into 16, that many days. Now 28 women are there. So you have to divide by 28. That will be the answer. Divided by 28. 35 into 16 divided by 28. How much you are getting? 35 into 16 divided by 28. How much you are getting? Why this calculation?
20, sir.
Huh?
20.
20 they are getting.
20, sir.
So let's see whether the answer 20 is there. I don't know how your people have taught in your school. There are many ways of teaching this. There are many.
Direct and inverse proportion, sir.
Okay. Like that also you can find out. But see, I will say like this. 35 women can do a piece of work in 16 days. Okay. I am asking you now, all of you listen. 17.5 women will take how many days? 35 women is there. I am taking half of the women. That is 17.5, isn't it? 35 divided by 2 is, you cannot have 17.5 women, but I am just for the calculation purpose. 35 women can do a piece of work in 16 days. If 17.5 women will be there, how many days they will take? Of the woman, so they will take double the time, no? They will take 32 days. 16 into 2, 32 days. Isn't it? I don't know why people are little not very comfortable with this. Okay, let me do this. So, I'm going to say one more method. Yeah, all your directly proportional involvement, that they will put arrow mark, no? They have taught you through arrow mark?
Yes, sir. We
Okay,
should
that
keep
is
the
also
unknown
correct.
value as
No, you keep that. I'm not saying that's wrong. But, see, I will take. Kavinaya will take 10 days to read a book, to read 300 pages. To read 300 pages. So, Kavinaya will take how many days to read 150 pages? You tell me.
Sir, 5 days.
5 days. No problem. Here. So, Kavinaya will take how many days how many days to read 600 pages?
Sir, 20 days.
20 days, sir.
20 days. Like this, use your common
20
sense.
days.
That arrow mark and all is correct. I am not saying it is wrong. I am telling. But you should have your common sense also. Blindly you can put arrow mark and you will get the marks also. But in the compet exam, in the entrance exams, in these exams, they will try to find out whether you have really understood, whether you have used your common sense to understand. Purida, I mean, are you able to understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
little bit
sir.
of this common sense. Kavinaya takes 10 days to complete, read 300 pages. For 150 pages, he will take less time. That is 5 days, half of it. But for 600 pages, he will take double the amount. If you know this, you can solve some of these problems. Arrow mark also you use, that knowledge also use. I am not saying that it's wrong. That is also right. But this basic thing you should remember. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And this kind of understanding is required for your entrance exam. That is why we have kept this foundation class. We know very well, you know all these questions. Left to you, if all these questions you will do well and you will get 100 out of 100 if time is given half an hour for some 10-15 questions. But in the exam, for 15 questions, they will give only 15 minutes. 1 minute per question only they will give. So there, your common sense also should help you. Okay. Now you can read Kavinaya. You tell me 10th question.
Yes, sir. A ladder of 20 feet length leans against a wall at a height of 16 feet from the ground. The base of the ladder from the wall is
20 feet length is the.
hypotenuse.
So it is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is 20. Height is 16. So now they want to find the base. So what is the theorem we have to use? It is a right angle triangle.
The Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. So what is the answer? So that is base square plus height square will be hypotenuse square. Square of hypotenuse. That is 16 square plus base square is equal to 20 square. So base square equal to 20 square minus 16 square. So your base square equal to base is equal to base square. We'll put base square is equal to 20 square minus 16 square. What is 20 square? 20 into 20.
400.
And
400,
16 square. So base square is 144. So what is base? Square root of 144.
12, sir.
12. So that is the answer. Let's see. Yeah, 12 answer is there. Very good. Okay. Read question number 11. Palak.
The highest power of x in the expression 3x square bracket 3 bracket x raised to 4 minus 7x raised to 3 cube plus 2 is
Is. What is the highest power of x?
4, sir.
No. Just look at. Keenly look at.
7x cube.
No. Highest power of x. They are asking power of x.
4, sir.
Huh?
6, sir.
6 is the answer. Why you are confusing between 3x square into x power 4 will give you 3x power 6, isn't it? So that is the highest power possible. 3x square minus 7x cube, that will give you minus 21x power 5. So the highest power is 6. Somebody said 6. Who said 6? Somebody said 6. Who is the person?
Yes, sir.
Who is the person? Next. Huh?
Aditi.
Aditi, okay, very good. So 6 is the answer. Okay. Kavinaya, are you, why did you say some other answer? What is your logic?
Sir, they have asked which is the highest power in the 6. The powers are 2, 4, and 3. Comparing that 4 is the highest, sir.
No. You have to multiply. You have to make the expression first. Expression they have given means the 3x square you cannot ignore. Suppose I ask you
Okay.
how many members are there in your family? Tell me what is the answer, Kavinaya?
4, sir.
4. Can you ignore your sister and tell 3?
No, sir.
Like that. Okay.
Okay.
Which of the following will have 6 at the unit place? In the unit place, which of the following will have 19 square? What will be in the unit place? Unit place means now
8,
suppose
sir. 8, sir.
huh?
8, sir.
What? 19 square.
8, sir. At the unit place, sir.
9 into 9 is how much? 81. So 1 will be in the unit place. In the unit place you will get 1. 19 into 19 you find out how much you are getting. 19 into 19.
Sir, 24 is the answer.
Yes. Okay. Now we'll go on by 19 square. 19 into 9. We'll find out. Into 19. How much you are getting? What is the answer?
361, sir.
Three?
361, sir.
361.
61.
So the unit place you are getting 1. So what is the other thing they have given? They have given 11, 13, 24. Okay. 11 square. 11 into 11.
121, sir.
121.
121.
Here
121,
again
sir.
1. 13 square.
169, sir.
So here 9. So 24 square.
566.
5.
66.
556 or
Ah.
66?
576, sir.
576. Okay. So unit place is 6. Okay, no problem. Here the question asks only unit place. Straight away you can say this one. Okay, very good. Fantastic. Okay. What should be added to minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? How do we do it? First you tell me how do we do it?
We should subtract, sir.
So, no, here minus 3 by 7 becomes minus 3 by 7. Oh. It becomes, what should be added? Plus x is equal to 7 by 3. Huh? No, what is it? So, minus 7 by 3, sorry. Minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by 3 plus x should give 3 by 7. Minus 7 by 3 plus x equal to 3 by 7. So we want to find x. X is equal to how much? X equal to 3 by 7 plus 7 by 3. Because when it goes that side, minus will become plus. So what is the LCM here? 7 and 3. LCM is 21. So in the denominator you get 21. What will you get in the numerator? 9.
10.
9.
Sir,
Plus
the answer is 58 by 21, sir.
9 plus 49 you will get. Yes, 9 plus 49 you will get. Okay. Divided by 21. That is equal to 58 divided by 21 is the answer. So 58 divided by 21 is the answer. So this is the way you should, methodology is this. Don't get confused. This question may confuse you. 7 by 3 and 3 by 7, what is this man? Like that, will confuse you. And you say minus 7 by 3 plus x should be added, he said. So you put plus x equal to 3 by 7. And from that you can find x. So that's it. Okay. Next question. Kavinay, can you read?
Yes, sir. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. The two numbers are.
Okay. First option is 6 and 60. The difference between these two is not 66. The out. Question 1 is out. I mean, option 1 is out. Then option 2, 33 and 100. What is the difference? Difference is 67. That is also out. Question third, I mean, option third. Option 44 and 110. 56. Oh, here 66 is coming. And 33, 99. Here 66 is coming. So, but the ratio should be 2 is to 5. 44, 110. 33, 99. Which is 2 is to 5?
Option 3, sir.
Option 3, 44 and 110 are in the ratio 2 is to 9. See, for example, it's like this. 44 is to 110. If you simplify this, is equal to, divided by 11, so you get 4 is to 10 is to 10. Again you simplify, equal to 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. So that is what they have given. 2 is to 5. Right? Okay. Go to question. Product of 4p minus 7q cube minus 7p cube is. Here, let's look at. Option 3 and 4 is not the answer because there are 2 minuses there. If you multiply, you will get plus only. So option 3 and 4 is out. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then the answer will be either option 1 or 2. So p, one p and another p square has to come, isn't it? There are 2 p's are there. When you multiply, you will get p square. So what is the answer now?
Option 1, sir. Option 1.
Option 1 is the right answer. Correct. So like that also, one need not do everything. Hello friends, hello students. Don't try to calculate here because we are teaching, we are calculating. But in the exam, you need not calculate. Just by looking at it closely, alert with lot of alert. If you look at, you will find out what is the answer. Not a great thing. No, not a very difficult thing. Question number 16. Palak, can you read?
Common factor of 17 ABC, 34 AB square, 51 A square B is.
Is. Which is the common factor they are asking?
17 AB, sir.
17 AB. Are you sure? That is common factor means that common factor should divide all the 3. 17, so 17 ABC divided by 17 AB. Yes, it divides. Like that, it has to divide all the 3. 34 AB square divided by 17 AB. Yes, it divides. 51 A square B divided by 17 AB. This also divides. So that is the answer. So second one is the answer because the common factor means that has to divide all the 3, this one, factors. All the 3. So like that. Okay, very good. 17. Question number 17 we look at. Anybody read? One of you can read.
If twice of 1/3 of 1/5 of a number is 6, then the number is.
See, it is very simple, but it may get confused. I will do it. Let us say the number is x. I don't know the number. I have to find that number. I'll keep it as x. Okay? I'll keep that x. X is the number. Twice that number means you have to multiply that by 2. So it becomes 2x. Okay? 2x. Then twice of 1/3 of 1/5 of the number. So twice and 1/3 and 1/5. You have to put 1/3 means you have to multiply by 1/3. 1/3. I am multiplying by 1/3. And 1/5 means multiply by 1/5. So I am multiplying. I am not putting that x for the into. I am not putting x because I have taken x there. So you may get confused. This is equal to 6. Find x. 2x into 1/3 into 1/5 is equal to 6. What is x? Two x into 1/3 into 1/5 equal to 6. What is x? So x is equal to 6 into 5 into 3, because that goes that side, and divided by 2. So what are you getting? Six into 5 into 3 divided by 2. Is it 45? Hello? Nobody is opening your mouth.
Yes, sir, it's 45.
45. No, how did I write this? See, you read the question. Once again, we'll read. If twice of 1/3 of 1/5 of a number. So that is what I have done. I have taken the number as x. For twice I put 2x. 1/3 means into 1 by 3. 1/5 means into 1 by 5 is equal to 6 I have taken. Then from that I wanted to find x, that is 45. Okay, one last question we will do. Question number 18. The number 5 by 4 lies between. Let us see. That I think you can do, but without mistake you should do.
Sir, option number 3.
Option number 3. So let us wait. Others, then I will give my comments. Others, what are your answers? Children, others also can tell. See, 5 1 by 4 means 5 1 point, minus 1.25. Minus 5 by 4 means 5 minus 5 by 4 means minus 1.25. So minus 1.25 will lie between which option? Minus 1.2.
Negative 2.
Huh? Yes, please.
Negative 2 and negative 1, sir.
Yeah, minus 2 and minus 1. It will lie between minus 2 and minus 1. See, why did I convert into decimal? Because that will be we may be little comfortable. I have converted minus 5 by 4 as minus 1.25, isn't it? Did you see because then immediately we can find out. Understood, Palak, why I converted that into decimal?
Yes, sir.
Easy, once you convert decimal, immediately you will get the answer. Sometimes you should know whether we should deal with decimal, or you should know whether we should deal with ratio, whether we should deal with percentages, etc., etc. That by experience you will get it. So don't worry. If you have not got it now, no problem. You are all children. You are all still studying. So it will take some time. That you will get it. Okay. We'll close at this. Before closing, I just wanted to find out other students. Are you with us, students? Other students? Are you able to understand? Achu, Aditi, are you with us? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Because I have not heard from you. Shani, Shika. So if you are not able to understand, you stop me. Srinidhi maybe must have understood because I know about her. Sridhar. So if you don't understand any of those, you don't wait for the class to get over. Immediately you can open your mic and then ask me, sir, this I am not able to understand. Anyway, this video will come in your YouTube. In case you wanted to listen to this video once again, you can do.